Hello everyone. Yes, 26th of June was my special day, so I received a birthday gift from my darling husband. Let's unbox this together and see what is inside the make of the phone. Yeah, wow, it's the Samsung Galaxy A35G. I have been eyeing this phone for a while now. Thank you, my darling. Thank you, thank you. I can't wait. Look at it. So Galaxy A35G. So I'll go ahead to open it now. Look at this. Look at it. I'm going to open, though out of excitement I've opened it before, and I say no, I have to come and unbox it with my friends. So I'll go ahead to remove the pack and unravel it from this back. Now look at this sleek design and the amazing camera. I can't wait to capture special moments with this phone. Yes, I feel so grateful and love to have such a thoughtful husband. This birthday gift is truly special. Thank you, my love. Thank you, look at it, so beautiful. And I just like the color, for the fact that it's pink and is so simple to hold, to handle, and every part of it is just glass. So I'm just admiring everything. You can see this Galaxy A35G. Honestly, I have been seeing this phone, but I've never thought that one day it will be my yes, I just like it. I enjoy. I just want to, say it's very big thank you, a special thank you to my darling husband. Yeah, this is the best birthday gift I've ever received in my whole wide world. Yes, so this is so special to me, and it's kind of is my new baby. It's my new baby. I'm so happy, honestly. I can't wait to use it to capture good moments, to video, to make make a lot of good memories. This is I so like what I'm seeing. Look at it, guys. Can you see the simplicity? Can you see the beauty? I love it. Let's go there. Thank you, honey. My mind is full of joy. My mind is full of joy, and I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. I'm so happy. Yes, I've been dancing ever since I received this gift, and I think this is a sign that this my new age will be a special one. So I thank you. I just thank my darling husband. This is such a thoughtful husband. I have to keep it back, guys. So let me carefully wrap it back to its normal position. But let's dive into this the features of the Samsung Galaxy A35G. Yes, the camera quality is outstanding, perfect for capturing memorable moments. The vibrant display bring images to life, and the performance is top notch for all my daily tasks. I'm blown away by the camera clarity and the smooth performance of this phone. Is truly a game changer for me. I can't wait to explore all the capabilities and make the most of this amazing gift. Thank you for joining me in this special unboxing moment. Stay tuned for more adventure with my new Samsung Galaxy A35G, and a special thank you to my darling husband for this thoughtful birthday gift. I love you, honey. Bye.